Hi, I'm Molly, one of the Outreach Ambassadors from Newcastle University. I'm just here today to speak to you and hopefully help with evaluating resources and finding resources for your essays, and hopefully just getting you some higher marks with that. So how do you decide which resources to use? When evaluating resources, it's not only going to help you decide which ones you want to use, but also how to use them. And by illustrating that you understand the strengths and weaknesses of different resources, it's going to show the examiner that you have a really strong and varied skill and knowledge of them. So with that, different resources might be needed to answer different questions, and this is going to show that breadth of knowledge, because if you had, for example, a social media essay, you might be using resources such as Facebook posts or things from Twitter, Instagram, even TikTok, as well as journal articles or other online resources. Whereas if you were to have a history essay, social media posts probably wouldn't be as appropriate, and you'd be better off using journal articles or books and other relevant resources like that. And linking to this as a top tip, you shouldn't worry about what other people are using as their resources. Your topic will determine which resources are best for you. So going back to the example I just used, if you're writing an essay on social media, don't compare your resources to someone doing a history essay, because they can't be compared and they should be different. So on to more evaluating your resources. A good way to do this is through the 5 W's, and that's who. So who created it? Are they knowledgeable? Are they legitimate? Are they trustworthy? What? So what is it about? Is it relevant information? And have they used evidence, facts and figures to back up their claims? Where's it from? Where did you find it? Did you find it in the library? Or was it a TV advert? Or in a newspaper? Or even online? And was it easy to find? When was it created? Is it current, or is there more up-to-date research? And does the date reveal anything else about the information that might be useful? And why? Why was it produced? Does it give a balanced view, or is it biased? And if it is biased, why do you think this is? So with this, although the 5 W's are useful whenever evaluating resources, they're a really useful technique for identifying whether something is fake news. I'm sure you might identify that with Donald Trump, and it's probably a good example of who. If you're hearing something from someone like Donald Trump, maybe you need to question how legitimate it is. So from the 5 W's to everything we've kind of spoken about today, the Study Skills for Sixth Form website by Newcastle is a really good place to start for some extra help. We do really useful study guides and general information, so have a look if you are still unsure or just want some more information. But thank you so much for listening today. I hope it's been helpful, and good luck with everything in the future.